Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see one of our application. This application will allow you to display a message bar at the top of your store. This message bar can contain, for example, a free shipping text or any marketing text that will help you increase or boost your sales. So first of all, go to market.storeino.com and you will find the message bar application. Click on it. As you see, it's free. If you want to change the language, just go down and click on English right here, and you can read all these information about this application. This application is really easy to use. Just click on Get This App right here. After that, you will need to log into your Storeino account and select the store you want. Then Next. Install. And now you will see the application here. Just click on Activate. Congratulations, now the application has been activated in your store. If I click on Show Store, you will see now a bar message above my store right here. There is a text and there is a button right here. As you noticed, at the top of my store there is a bar message and there is a message here. You can put your message and there is also a button, but we can control all of this. So let's go back to the settings of our application. This is our application. Just click on the picture right here. Then you will see first thing is the message. Let's display, for example, this text right here, and you can control and customize this text. And you can control and customize this text. For example, you want to make it bold and give it as a header like this, and do all the customization you need for this text, for example, the color and all of that. Then the bar directions, we have here the direction, we have here the height, the content, position, the font, the border, and let's see all of this in action. For example, if you have Arabic, you will need to switch from left to right to left. And the height of the bar right here, this is the height of this message bar right here. You can either increase it or decrease it. For example, let's decrease this height. And as you see right here, there is a small preview of our message bar right up here. Any changes you do in these settings of the application will be available for you to see in this little bar right here or little preview right here. You can control all these settings and see the preview above right here. For example, the content, if I want it to be in the center like this, and I can also change the size of the font right here and choose the borders like this. After that, you will need to choose a colors. For example, the background color, I want it to be a blue like this, and I will change the color of the text to white and make it a little bit bold like this. Choose it. Don't forget to select the text and choose bold like this. Then if you go down, you will see the border color. I will not change it, let it to be white. And the button, you can either display a button right here or you can hide that button, but I think I will display it and give it a background color white, for example. Then you can control all the settings of this button and the link. Also, you can put the link of this button right here. The link now is the shop. As you see, the text color, for example, black or blue. As you see, it is really simple to set up. It's not something that is very hard, and you always have a preview that continues with you. If you scroll down also, you will see the preview of your bar message. After you complete all your changes, just click on confirm right here. Then if you click on show store to see this bar message, you will see everything now looks great, and also the changes has been applied. I will go back, for example, and make this text a little bit more bolder like this and click on confirm so we could see it in action right here. This looks cool, and you can edit the bar messages you want, as we have seen. That's it for this video. I hope everything is clear for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave us your question in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.